Had problems with the Tesla Toolbox not wanting to connect to the car no matter how many times you try, with problems like traffic to Odin blocked or SESET unlock problems. EVC has a solution. With our Chrome extension, you send access to our proxy and it will automatically load all the cars you have access to. You have all the cars you have requested the service access from the owner to. You can select the car you want to connect and press connect. And in a few seconds it will already be connected. Now we are already connected. Then in our toolbox you have all the functions of the Tesla Toolbox. You can see all the information about this car. You can see things like vitals, and you can see active alerts, car configuration, pest alerts. You can read trouble codes, you can change car configuration, and you can do all the things you can in the Tesla Toolbox. Also you can do some of our special actions like car health report. So you can detect battery type automatically. It will take a few seconds. It will automatically detect the type of car and battery, and then you can generate car health report. This takes about 2 minutes, and then you will have the full report. And this is the full report, which you can very easily print and show to the customer. And this is the printed report, where you can see information about car health, about the battery health. You can see it has this car has 5 non-critical faults. You can see the charge status, the odometer, information about the battery, state of health, current charge, supercharger usage, the ratio between AC and DC charging for this car, isolation resistance, and all the information you need if you want to sell the car or things like that, along with the full report. And this report can be verified on the EVC server by simply scanning this QR code. And here you will get the full report, which is verified on the EVC.